Our top news this week. Wood & Camera have announced a PL mount conversion kit for the Canon C200 for those users that have the EF version of the camera and would like to use cinema-style PL lenses. The PL mount kit is user serviceable and is also reversible, which means that you can go back to the native EF mount should you wish to. Wood & Camera are also offering an in-house PL modification service for an additional fee. At NAB 2018, Wood & Camera also demonstrated their new Sony VENICE accessories, including a new distribution power box, an EVF extension rod, master top handle, and a dual XLR adapter for professional audio microphones. ARRI have released a new firmware update for their industry-leading SkyPanel LED range. SkyPanel Firmware 4 is all about adding more versatility and giving DPs and gaffers more control than ever before. Harnessing the incredible power of the SkyPanel, Firmware 4 adds new features such as extended colour and DMX control, additional lighting effects such as explosion, welding, fluorescent flicker, and many more, in addition to a new stage mode and a new improved SkyPanel web portal where users can make adjustmts over Wi-Fi. Sigma showed off their impressive range of lenses at NAB this year, including their new wide-angle 14 to 24mm f2.8 art lens. Ideal for shooting both video and stills plus VR content, the super wide angle zoom has been designed for 50 megapixel cameras and features a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the entire zoom range. The dust and splash proof construction features special sealing at the mount connection, manual focus and zoom rings, making it perfect for landscape shots in just about every terrain imaginable. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.